Hello guys, welcome to another brand new video, and today I have this Xiaomi Mi A1 phone, and there is a problem with this phone. It has a loose charging port. The problem is this charging port is loose and it's not charging the phone. So here is a charger. Let's plug it in. And now if I try to charge it, it's not charging. Okay, now it's charging. Again it's stopped charging. So there is some problem with this port. So guys, today in this video we try to fix it. Guys, this is not my phone, this is my wife's phone, and she pretty much rough use her phone. So whenever she want to charge her phone, she plug this charging cable like this, boom, and when the charge is complete, boom, it's remove it like this way. It's a wrong way to plug and unplug your charging cable. Do it gently, just plug it, and when charge complete, gently unplug it. So that's the proper way to unplug the charging cable from your phone. To fix the phone, we have to open it, guys. To open the phone, we need to open these two screws. Now here, as you see guys, we have two screws. After this, we need to remove the SIM tray. Luckily this phone back is not glued with the frame, so it will be easy for me to open it. But nowadays so many phones are coming and their back is glued with the frame, so those kind of phone is little bit hard to open. You need to hit the back frame and then you can open it. But this phone is easy to open, so we need to use a pry tools like this and pry it. Now guys, if you are doing it for first time, it will be a little bit hard for you to open any phone. Okay, now it's open, as you guys. Once one side open, it will be very easy to open the phone. So phone is open. I think I forget to power it off. Okay, so let's power it off. Power off. So before doing anything, we're going to unplug the battery connector. So here is the battery connector. Let's unplug it from here. Now here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I think total 6 screws. We need to unscrew it to access the charging port. Now we're going to disconnect the antenna cable. Okay, this is connected to the main board. So everything is disconnected. Guys, here is the charging PCB and this is the charging port. Here you can see guys, this USB-C charging port is soldered on this PCB board, and this is the USB-C port solder joint. And make sure guys, all of these solder joint are perfectly joined with the board. If there is any loose here, then you guys need to resolder it. It looks like these soldering joints are okay. So now what we do, we will take a plier. This is a nose plier, and then we will put some pressure a little bit, and from this side too. Now plug this charging port. Now it's tight. As you see, now it's tight. It's not a loose port. Next we're going to clean this port using some isopropyl alcohol and a brush, because there is a lot of dust inside. Now gently clean the port using a toothbrush so that we can clean all of the dust inside the port. After properly cleaning the port, we're going to place the board on the phone. Connect the board. Now connect with the battery. Now we're going to turn on the phone. So guys, phone turn on. Just plug the charger. So guys, as you see, the phone is charging. So now if I shake this cable or do something, there will be no problem, it's charging properly. So guys, that's how you can fix your charging port at home using a plier like this. It's temporary, it's not going to fix your charging port permanently. And guys, this trick is not permanent, it probably works for a couple of months, but without spending a penny you can fix your charging port like this way. And if you guys tried this trick, let me know what is your experience. Now I'm going to screw everything and put the cover